Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Listen, man, I have this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The customer stopped stating that her horn is not as loud. Now, this is a two-horn setup. As you can see, the horn is right here. Okay, now one of them is not blowing. Okay, and that's easy to find out which one. You simply unplug one, somebody push the horn, and see which one blows. But in order to replace these horns, nothing, no big deal at all, but I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, let's get to it. All right, look, listen, this cover have to come off, and I'd have made it easier for you because I removed most of the push pin. Grab your pliers, push pin pliers, and simply remove all the push pins in order to remove the cover. Okay, I have already taken most of them out, and once you lift up the cover, you will find your horns. They was already visible. It's just you can't get to the bolt to replace them without removing the cover. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is simply remove the 10mm screw that holds the bolt and holds the horns in place. Now, from there, you simply remove the horns. Okay? So, this setup is different. Okay, it doesn't have a connector for each horn. So basically, and when I went to the parts department, they basically told me I had to get this as an assembly. So, there's really no need to try to find out which horn is bad, although from the look of it, you can replace both horns individually, but the way they come is a complete setup like this. So basically you get a horn setup like this. Simply bolt it and unbolt it from here and you're good to go. Okay, normally I would check, make sure I'm getting power and ground at the connector, but there's no need for me to do that because I can hear one of the horns blowing. All right, so I just want to show you this quick video on how to replace your horns if this is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It varies from car to car, the locations of your horn and how difficult it is to replace them, but this one is pretty easy. All right, that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.